So let's start today's speaking test. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I'm in living apartment which has two bedroom, one dining room, and a balcony included.
Okay, so which room is your favorite one?
I can say my living room is very important and it's my favorite one because most of the time is spending there, and also my doing assignments and leisure time activities.
Okay, so do you prefer spending time with your family?
Yes, of course, because yeah, family is the first important thing, and but I have don't enough time spending time there because a lot of work to do.
Okay, so is family important in your country for adults?
Yes, definitely. Parents is our first guidelines uh, compared to teacher, because when the child grow up, their behavior change and also personal identity change and how to develop their behavior. Parents should implement their.
Okay, so that's the end of your part one section. Okay, so right now I'm going to give you this quicker topic, which is right here, and keep that in mind. You have 1 minute to write down your bullet points. Okay. Okay, time is up. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk about this quicker topic, so you can start now.
As a travel up, I visiting new places and I kind of travel person, and I like to want and visiting new places. So recently I visit a historical place. It's about 2 months ago. It's located Shunargaon. It's a very historical place. It's built it 2000 years ago, and I went there with my friends because when I travel anywhere, my friend always with me. So I kind of persons who explore new kind of place. So when I went there, I saw some building and historical ancient sculpture, then any kind of other things. So after that, I suddenly lost it there, and because my phone navigation not working, also my friend's phone is dead. So after that, I couldn't find any way. So find someone who living there, and I supposed to he helped me, but suddenly he didn't help because he newly here, and after that I my phone suddenly working, and I saw a navigation on how to find a new pathway, and after I could achieve that location.
Okay, that's the end of your part 2 section. Okay, let's jump into the part 3 section. So as I've told you before, that in the part 3 section you have to extend your answers. You cannot minimize your answers in this part. Okay, so do you often get lost?
No, it's very rarely for me, but I got lost it's once because my phone navigation not working.
Okay, so is map reading skill important?
Yes, it's really important. But without map, you don't go anywhere because our diverse country and many kind of places there's nowhere.
Okay, so that's the end of your overall speaking test for today. Well, let me give you now a quick review for your student speaking test. In the part 1 section, you have done good. I must say you have done good, but in the part 2 section, you just finished your QCA topic within 1 minute and 42 seconds. Okay, but you have to bear that in mind that you have to finish it within minimum 2 minutes. Okay, or more than 2 minutes. So if it surpasses more than 2 minutes, then the examiner will stop you by saying, okay, thank you, now we can move on to the part 3 section. Okay, in that time you have to think that my 2 minutes have been completed. So but you have made some wrong sentence structures. Okay, and just look at the QCA topic here. Describe a time when you got lost in a place you did not know. Got lost, so it's based on the past tense. Okay, so you have to talk based on this topic for 2 minutes based on the at least in the past tense. Okay, so and you just you said at first in the present tenses, then you just mentioned some past tenses at the end. Okay, but you haven't mentioned any idioms. So just keep that in mind that you have to mention some idioms. Okay, so, not more than 3 idioms, I guess. And if you try to speak more than 3 idioms, then it would be good. Okay, but you have to also mention some linking words. Okay, and, but, or, these are the common linking words you can use in addition, furthermore, besides, as well as, therefore. Okay, so and also let's come to the part 3 section. As I told you earlier, you have to finish your answers within minimum 5 to 6 lines, but you have finished your answers that I asked you in the first question within 3 lines. Okay, so do you often get lost and you just finish your answers within minimum 3 lines? Okay, so you have to extend your answers. Just keep that in mind. Is map reading skill important? Just like 4 lines. Okay, you have to extend your answers. Keep that in mind. Okay, your over score is 5.5. Okay.
Patronus Education, exacting excellence.